Dear students, today in this video we are going to start our introductory topic sentence, and it is the one of the foremost topic and one of the important topic of grammar, sentence. So firstly we will discuss about the sentence definition. So what is a sentence? In simple word, a sentence is a group of words which makes a complete sense. A sentence is a group of words which makes a complete sense. Read the following sets of words. For example, Ram is reading a book. He goes to school daily. Some boys are playing cricket. All the above groups of words make a complete sense. Or in other words, they don't need any extra word for the same. Such a group of words is called a sentence. So the group of words which makes a complete sense is called a sentence. Now phrase. A group of words having incomplete sense is called phrase. A group of words having incomplete sense is called phrase. Read the following sets of words. On the table, in winter, in the east. These groups of words have no complete meaning of their own unless some more words are added to them. Such a group of words is called a phrase. Okay? What is the main difference between the phrase and the sentence? Phrase is a group of words having no complete sense and which requires more words to added to them to make a complete sense. This group of words is called a phrase. Now, the sentence has two parts, the subject and predicate. So, the subject and the predicate. The person or thing talked about is called the subject, and whatever is said about the person or thing is called the predicate. For example, Mahesh sings a song. Mahesh is a subject and sings a song. Verb plus object is predicate. Birds fly, birds subject and fly predicate. Sita writes a letter. Sita subject writes a letter predicate. Now second position. This house is mine. This here is determiner. House is noun. Is mine is predicate. Now second example. A book is lying on the table. Here A is determiner. Book, noun, is lying on the table is predicate. Now third position. An old man is walking on the road. Here an is determiner. Old shows adjective, the quality of noun. Man, noun, is walking on the road, predicate. My new house is near the bus stand. Here my is determiner, new adjective, house noun, is near the bus stand predicate. Now we will discuss about the types of sentence. So students, you may know about the types of sentence, and so we will discuss about the types of sentence. There are 5 types of sentences. First है assertive sentence, second interrogative sentence, third imperative sentence, fourth exclamatory sentence, and fifth one is octative sentence. Now we will discuss about each part of sentence, each type of sentence. Okay. Now first assertive sentences. A sentence which makes a statement or assertion is called an assertive sentence. A sentence which makes a statement or assertion is called an assertive sentence. Assertive sentences can be both in affirmative or in negative. For example, my father is a doctor. Rakesh is running. He does not read well. Here, 2 statements are positive statement or assertive statements, and the second and third statement, he does not read well, is a negative statement, but it is also assertive sentence. So assertive sentence has 2 parts, positive statement and negative statement. So negative sentence is not a type of sentence, it is a part of assertive sentence. Second, interrogative sentence. A sentence which expresses a question is called an interrogative sentence. It always ends with a question mark. For example, where do you live? What do you want? When did he come? Where are you going? What are you doing? ये such kinds of sentences are interrogative sentences. Third, imperative sentences. A sentence which expresses a request, order, suggestion, or command is called an imperative sentence. A sentence which expresses a request, order, suggestion, or command is called an imperative sentence. And imperative sentence always begins with verbs first. For example, look at the picture. Stand up. Open the door. Next, exclamatory sentence. Exclamatory sentence is a sentence which expresses sudden, strong feeling of joy, sorrow, wonder, or anger is called an exclamatory sentence. For example, what a beautiful picture it is. Alas, he is ruined. How foolish he is. Hurrah, we have won the match. So such kind of sentences are called exclamatory sentences. Next, octative sentence. Octative sentence is a sentence which expresses a wish or a prayer is called an octative sentence. It always ends with the mark of exclamation. For example, may you live long, may God bless you, may you get first position in the class. Such kind of sentences are expressed as optative sentence. Okay students, we will continue the grammar topics in next video.